So I'm on my way to get a new charger for my phone. So out of City Beach now and into Kmart. Okay, so I was going to go for a run because I thought the rain was just going to blow over quickly, but it looks like it's setting in for the afternoon, and that sucks because I haven't been one for a while. I don't know what I'm going to do now, but it's going to be like a chill afternoon, I guess. Laze about in my room, do some editing, homework, that's about it. Yeah. Everything got really wet as I was getting out of the car, so now I'm trying to dry everything. The rain looks like it's setting in for quite a while, as you can see from the sky up there. It looks pretty bad. So, I'll keep you updated on the rain, but let's go inside. Let me get settled into my room and I'll see you soon. Okay, so just had a shower and now it stopped raining and it's sunny, so I don't know what's going on with the weather, but it's really weird. Now that I've had a shower, I don't want to go for a run because then I'll just get all hot and sweaty again and the shower would be pointless. So, I don't know what I'm going to do. I've had like no water all day and now I'm really thirsty, which doesn't surprise me, hence the water I just drank. So outside, I don't know if you can see it, but outside is like really bright now and it doesn't even look like it was raining, which is really weird. So I'm gonna go have a look outside. Enjoy! Okay, so what just happened, I was filming and the tripod broke. One of the screws came out and then the spring came out and then it collapsed, which was pretty bad. So I'm gonna try to fix that now and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so I fixed the tripod. It was just a screw that came loose that connects to another moving gadget. It's all really, but it's fixed now, so that's good. I just found this on my floor. I don't know where it came from, so guess it's mine now. Anyway, that's it for today's vlog. That's the 12th one. Hope you're enjoying them. And I'll see you in the next one. See ya.